Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 3.1 question number 6. Find the angle measure x in the following figures. Here you see this is a quadrilateral. This is a quadrilateral 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. This is also a quadrilateral 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. And you know that some of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree, right? We will use this property, that is we can solve in this way. We know that we know that the sum of the angles we can say interior angles, sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral of a quadrilateral of a quadrilateral of a quadrilateral sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Then from figure A we are getting that this angle plus this angle plus this angle plus this angle is 360 degree. Therefore we can write 50 degree plus 130 degree plus 120 degree plus x is equal to 360 degree. Right? If we add all the numbers, what you get, you see 130 plus 120 plus 50. We are adding this one. It is 0. 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 3 10, carry 1, it is 0, that is 300. That is we are getting here as 300. Right? Therefore we get to 300 degree plus x is equal to 360 degree. Or you can write here as x is equal to 360 degree minus 300. Therefore we are getting x is equal to 60 degree. X is equal to 60 degree. Therefore we are getting the value of x as 60 degree. Right? Now question number B. Question number B, here you see is question number B. This is the figure, this is x, this is 70, this is 60. Here you see this is 90 degree given. And this is a straight angle. Therefore this angle will also be 90 degree. Right? And this angle will also be 90 degree. You have to find the value of x. Right? Let us find this way. From the figure, let the angle of this is a. We'll find the value of a first. From the figure, it is 90 degrees given, that is a plus 90 is 180 degree, that is a plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree, because it is a linear pair, is equal to 180 degree, because it is a linear pair. Right? Therefore a is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree, and that comes to 90 degree. 90 degree. The value of this is 90 degree. Now we'll find the sum of the interior angles of the quadrilateral is 360 degree. We'll use this property that we are getting 70 degree. We are getting 90 degree plus 60 degree plus 70 degree plus x is equal to 360 degree. We add all the numbers, that is 90, 60 and 70. We add, this is 0. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 7, 22. That is 220 degree. 220 degree. That is 220 degree. Plus x is equal to 360 degree. Or you can write x is equal to 360 degree minus 220 degree. If you subtract this one, you are getting 360 degree minus 220 degree. You are getting 0. 6 minus 2 is 4. It is 140 degree. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 140 degree. Is equal to 140 degree. Therefore, the value of x here, this is 140 degree. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.